Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make spicy Thai basil tofu. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back. I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this channel and this video with everyone you know. Like I said, we're going to be making spicy Thai basil tofu. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We of course have 1 block of extra firm tofu. I have drained it and diced it up. We have got a sauce with 1/4 cup of vegetable broth, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And then to cook this all, we're going to have 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 small red onion that we've diced, 3 cloves of garlic that we've minced, 1 jalapeno that we have small diced, 4 bird's eye chilies, 1 small red pepper that we have seeded and diced, and then of course 1 pack of fresh basil. Let's start making the sauce. Alright, we've got our bowl here for our sauce. I'm going to throw our vegetable stock right there. Our soy sauce, our fish sauce, and of course the cornstarch. Put that in last. We're going to stir that up really well. We're going to stir it up again before we throw it in the hot pan over there lastly. So, alright, I'll meet you over at our pan. Alright, there we see in the back we've got our mise en place, we've got all of our tools, we got the tofu, we got our sauce we just made, the basil, the garlic, diced peppers, onions, and olive oil. We are going to set up on our pan now. Alright, we're going to turn our heat on to medium, high. Going to add our oil, let that get hot. Alright, our pan's hot now. I'm going to add our onions in here. Give those a nice stir. We're just going to cook these until they get a little soft. So let that go. This is very, very fragrant and smells really, really good. I'm going to go ahead and perfume it up with those bird's eye chilies in there as well. Get those started. And our peppers. I said red peppers. I didn't have a red pepper. I diced up an orange pepper. I also have 2 yellow ones over there. I must have used the red one for something else. But I did shop for a red pepper. I must have used it. Anyway, got your peppers in here. Get our jalapeno. Get that started too. Some beautiful, vibrant colors here. The aroma is wonderful. We'll let these cook down a little bit. Alright, I'm going to add the garlic. And I am just going to blend this in until it's fragrant. About 30 seconds or so. Go ahead and add our tofu. Now to get this into one layer among everything. I'm going to try to get this a little color on it before we add everything else. So I'm just going to let this sit in here on the pan. And I'll switch over to a pair of tongs and we'll flip our tofu over as it cooks. Now you can crumble the tofu and use it in there kind of like a ground pork or a ground beef or whatever, but I like to have it play a role in the dish. It is titled Spicy Thai Basil Tofu, so you want to know it's in there. So by doing this, I'm just going to give it some color, get a nice crust on it, a little texture to the dish. You can also, tear it up with your hands and throw it in there too. We add our sauce, it'll also help add some color to it too. There we go, there's some color on that one. I'm just going to be patient. We'll transition over when it's all colored. You don't have to watch me flip every one. Alright, as you can see, we've got some color on the tofu now. It's getting a nice char kind of on it. What I want to do, I want to stir it up because I don't want to burn all my vegetables though. So I'm going to go ahead and get that going now. We're going to throw our basil in here. Now I didn't cut this up or anything, I just leave it whole leaf. You want to cut off the big stems like this though, unless you like that, but get all the big stems off. You can add more than this if you want. Basically, we're just going to put that in there. We are going to stir up our sauce again. We're going to put that right on in. We're going to let this cook down. Wilt that basil. Then we're going to let that sauce thicken with that cornstarch. I'm going to put a lid on it. We're going to let it do its thing. Alright, we got about a minute with the lid on. Let's see how it's going here. Smells fantastic. I am going to add a little more basil though. You don't want to wash the basil too much because you don't want to wash off all the wonderful essential oils that are on there. You can chiffonade it if you want to, but it'll pretty much practically disappear if you do that. So just throw the whole leaves in. Make sure they're not getting too bad. There we go. Put the lid back on, let those wilt. Sauce is thickening up nice. Alright, let's check it out. Yep. See what I mean about the chiffonade? Don't, see how that bunch of basil just really evaporates in the pan almost. So I've turned the heat off. I am going to plate this up over some rice. This is what it looks like when it's done. We're going to plate it up. You don't want to miss out on the taste test after we're done with the pictures. Stick around. Alright, thanks. Some nice pictures there. Tofu is nice and silken. It didn't really crisp up after adding all that sauce. I had some rice in here. Lots of basil in that bite. I don't want to take all of it. Very hot too. I don't want to burn my mouth there. You see all the peppers in there with the basil, onions. There's a nice shot. This one here. Beautiful, hot, smells delicious. Oh wow. That fish sauce, you get that funk in that fish sauce. It really brings out some flavors of this dish with the peppers. The heat kind of mellows it out a little bit. Taste the onions and the peppers in there. Got that flowery scent or flowery notes of the basil in there. Need some more. It's very hot. Very good. Very, very good. A little saltiness from that soy sauce. The umami. Yeah, this is really good. I'm going to keep eating it if I don't stop. Alright, we made spicy Thai Basil Tofu. Very delicious, very easy to make. The recipe is down in the description box. Don't forget to check out that description box. It's got a lot more than just the recipe down there. So check it all out. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul.